What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can leave comments within your Excel functions by using the end function. So here you can see we have the end function right here. It's just one letter, and it allows us to leave this comment in this value lookup, make sure the lookup value matches. So what is the end function? Looking at it equals n. As you can see, it converts non-numbers value to a number, dates to serial numbers, trues to 1, anything else is 0. I also note if it's an error value like a ref or NA, it will pass back an error, the same error. But this is great because whenever you are writing an Excel function like a VLOOKUP, or honestly oftentimes something much more complicated, you can nest the end function within your Excel function and leave a comment. So example right here equals n, open parentheses, and then we just want to pass in a string of text and then leave a comment. And one thing that's great is that, as you can see, this is text, and because this is text, the end function is going to convert it to 0. So the VLOOKUP plus 0, it just leaves the same thing, which allows us to leave a comment, which can make our Excel formats much more clear, and sometimes it can be much easier to look within a function as opposed to having to leave a comment like this. So, to kind of walk through a bit about what else it looks like, so what other results it returns. So here we have a value, a kind of end function result. So here you just have the number 24. So equals n, passing in the value 24, it just returns the number. Yeah, so to talk a bit about what else it kind of looks like when it returns different values. So here we have value and the end function result. So here for just number 24 equals n, open parentheses, number 24, which just gives you the number 24. Here we have number 24, but this is different because this is text. So if you do is text value, it's true. This is a text 24, not a numeric 24. So if we pass in n, as you can see, it just passes to 0. So any text, even if it's a text that looks like a number, the end function will return 0. So that's one thing that might be a bit misleading in my opinion, as it says it converts our number values to a number. But one thing to note too is if you want to convert a text number to a numeric number, you can just use equals the end function instead. As you can see now, we have the number 24. We have a date. We have a date. As you can see, it just returns a number. For true, it returns a 1. For false, it returns a 0. And for anything else like the word subscribe, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It helps a lot. Like, subscribe, comment. But the word subscribe returns 0, and the error NA returns an NA. But that said, it's very helpful in allowing you to leave a comment within your Excel functions. So, as I said, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a fantastic day.